Want to get your skin into a cool pose, maybe for either a photo or thumbnail? Today I'm going to be showing you all a super simple method that doesn't involve actually making a render or anything, but still makes your skins look awesome. I hope you enjoyed this quick 4-step tutorial, and please consider subscribing if you do. Let's get to the video. Alright, step 1, getting your skin into the Planet Minecraft editor. First, you're going to want to go to planetminecraft.com, pretty simple. We'll come to their homepage. This is my account's homepage, probably won't be here, but you're going to go to player skins right here, this little bar at the top. Then you're going to go to down here, Minecraft Skin Editor, and you are going to select the Advanced Edition. I know it sounds scary, it kind of is, but I'm here to help you. I already have a skin in here, but you very likely will not. So what you're going to do is you're going to File, Open File, then you're going to select your file or whatever. It's then going to bring you an option here. This is super important. You don't want the wrong model of skin. If you're using a 4 pixel wide arms Steve model, then you select that. And if it's 3 pixels, you select this one right here. Ignore these simple ones. Just select the Alex or the Steve. This is an Alex model, so I want an Alex model. Once you have your skin in the editor, it's probably going to look something like this. You can unclick this right here since we're not doing any editing. What you're going to want to do is delete the grass. So you see how there's like this random grass background. If you don't want that, you just want a plain background, you're going to go to View, Grass Texture, and then click this X right here. If you want to choose a different background color, if you want the background there, like you don't like this blue or whatever, you can go to View, Sky Color. And then make sure you're still in this creative mode here, or else you won't see this. And then you can select whatever color you want, just in this color wheel. This color is fine, I don't really mind, but one thing you do want is, if you don't want a background, you do not want a color that's similar to the outside shades of your skin. Like you don't want, for example, on this skin, like a really light peachy color that's similar to that. It might be hard to edit out the backgrounds like this. That would not be good. So just pick something, anything that's different. Well, let's go with a blue. There's no really blue on the outside of the skin. Alright, now that you have your skin in the editor, you can position it as you like. So you're going to select this grid line off if you haven't already. You're going to go to up here, this little person icon that says Pose Model Mode. Don't panic if there isn't anything here. Sometimes you have to click these 3 dots icon and then say collect or create defaults, and then these will pop up. What I normally like to do is just select one that's kind of close to what I might want. Or if you just want to stick with any one of these, you can totally just use those. But if you want to adjust it further, I usually pick one that's closest. Then one thing that you might want to keep in mind is there will be different color like wheels here. You'll see some red ones right there, red ones. You'll see some blue ones, and you'll also see some green ones. You might have to rotate around to get the one that you want. Red, let's start with red. Red means up and down. So you're going to move your arm up or down. You can do it with your head too, up and down, your body too. You can do it with anything that's up and down. Blue is side to side. Like I said, you might have to rotate a little bit, side to side, just like that. And then finally, green is like rotating on an axis. So it'll just rotate around. You can do it with your arms too. Find that, just like that. You can do it with anything. All right, let me get a pose that I want. So I think I'll have a waving sitting pose. So I'm just gonna use the red to make it go up. And then don't want it in the face, so I'm gonna use that to go to the side. And maybe you wanna rotate the head so it's nodding a little bit to the side using the green. Sometimes a little bit tricky, but there you go. That looks good, just like that. That's what I want. Take a screenshot. Don't just use your computer function or whatever, that's just gonna make it annoying. Planet Minecraft has one that you can just select this camera right down here, and you'll automatically get a screenshot of just this area. It's really convenient. If you don't want, for whatever reason, to remove the background, you just want like a flat color, then you're all done. Then you can just use a screenshot that it gave you. But if you do, then I'm gonna see you in the next step. Alright, lastly, we're gonna cut out the background. So after you've taken your screenshot, you're just gonna open that up in Pixlr. So you're gonna go to pixlr.com and you're going to select the advanced photo editor. Another advanced editor for us here. Alright, after that you're going to open your image, so just whatever screenshot you took, and now we're here. Normally I like to cut out this like little watermark thing, it's just easier because you're going to have to do it anyways, so let me do that real quick. Alright, and now you're here. To cut out the background, it is super simple. All you have to do is go to this scissors icon, which is cutout/mask. Then you can go to this magic wand icon, which is magic mask. Then you're just gonna click anywhere in the background. And bam, you immediately get what you want. The background is out of there, you just have the skin now. You're gonna file, save, and then you're gonna save it as whatever you want as a download. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!